Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Excel files, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you convert Excel files to CSV on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to convert an Excel file to CSV? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you're moving around your contact lists, some programs require that the file is a CSV, not Excel. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac. You're going to use the Numbers application on Mac, which is free. It's already included on your Mac. So I've already pulled up a few files on my desktop. So as you can see right here is an Excel file. It's a spreadsheet. Now, in order to convert this to a CSV file, all you're going to do is just right click on it. Once you've right clicked on the Excel file, click on Open With. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu and you want to click on Numbers. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the Excel file in the Numbers app. Now, in order to export this or convert it into a CSV, up here on the very top, you're going to click on File. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this button, Export To, and then you're going to choose CSV. Here you can go ahead and adjust the settings and then click on Save. Okay, quick second later, it saves the file into a CSV, as you can see right here. So you can see this is the most recent one, 843, and the file type is right here, separated values. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to convert an Excel spreadsheet file into a CSV format, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.